the National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Saginaw County, Shiawassee County until 11:15 a.m. At 10:12 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Shepherd to Ithaca to 7 miles south of Ithaca to 6 miles northwest of St. John's to 20 miles west of Waverly, and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Marion Springs and Fenmore around 10:25 a.m., Maryland Carland around 10:30 a.m., Brant and Oakley around 10:35 a.m., St. Charles and Owasso around 10:40 a.m., Garfield and Shaftesbury around 10:45 a.m., Shields and Swan Creek around 10:50 a.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Milwaukee, St. Charles, Saginaw, Perry, Owasso, Oakley, New Lothrop, Maurice, Merrill, Marion Springs, Lennon, Legsburg, Henderson, Durand, Corona, Chesaning, Byron, Bancroft. Here is the forecast.